is Anand and welcome to Learn with Anand YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install Python on Windows. Python is a programming language known for its readability and simplicity. It can be used for a wide range of applications such as web development, software development, data science, machine learning, and automation. So let's get started. Open web browser. Here I have Google Chrome. You can open any web browser. Type Python. Open the very first link of Python. Click on downloads. As we can see, 3.13.7 is the current latest version of Python. Click on it. It will take some time depending on your network speed. So let's wait for some time. So yeah, it's done. Let's go to the file location, right click on the file, run as administrator. Yes. Here we have to select both options. Use admin privileges when installing py.exe and add python.exe to path. And we will click on customize installation so that we will get to know what all components are being installed. So as we can see, we will install the pip, which is a package manager to download, install and manage Python packages and libraries. We will also get an IDLE, which is an IDE to run Python programs, and it will be set for all users. Click on next. Here we will select the install Python for all users, and as we can see, Python will get installed in this directory. Click on install. So yeah, we are done with the setup. To verify whether we have successfully installed Python, open command prompt, type Python ---- version. As we can see, we have successfully installed the latest version of Python. Now let's run a program where we will displaying a message. For that, open IDLE. So this is the IDLE we got with Python, and here we can create a new file where we will be printing a message. So for that, we only have to write only one line. Learn with Anand. Let's save this. We can save anywhere. Let's save this in downloads. Name it as okay. It will have the extension .py. Let's save this, and to run we have to go to this and run module. So as we can see, we got the output learn with Anand. So it's that simple. Python is very simple in terms of coding, as it requires very less coding. So we got the output in just one line. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it.